Excuse me. Ooh. This looks exactly like a supercell. Let me see if I can get the whole story. Look at that. This looks like a supercell to me. This is a beautiful thunderstorm. Wonderful looking. Wow, this is beautiful. Backing up so you guys can see the whole entire storm base. This is a supercell, an LP supercell. Supercells are the storms that drop tornadoes, and we only get the small ones. Oh, I should have caught that. I like these kind of storms. Shelf clouds, the lightning. I like that. Zoom in. I like these kind of storms. They look like I don't think airplanes should be flying around. There's this side. Now look at all this base here. You got the shelf cloud right here. You got the wall cloud underneath it. You got the lightning going up here. And then you got all this space coming through the storm itself. I'm going to go underneath it again. It's green underneath the storm's base. Sorry. I jump when there's lightning. Here it comes. Wow. It's flashing like crazy. Look at that. Look at lowering over there. Ooh, got that. Ooh. This is going to be a crazy, funny storm. Here, I'm going to go closer so you guys can see what I'm looking at. I like these kind of storms. So the storm behind me has a lot of storm base underneath it, as if, I have no idea, but this looks like a supercell, doesn't it? Wow. Oh, I like that shot I'm taking. Look at that. It's too dark, I guess it's like really well done. Oh, excuse me, sorry if I'm passing gas. Alright. Oh, there's light on top of the storm. It's like a merry-go-round base. Let's get closer though. Oh yeah, let's get close. Not too close because I don't get shocked. These are the loud storms.